Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REALME GT 6T and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Firstly, open Google Chrome application. In it, tap on the three dots on the right corner and there scroll down and choose settings option, where we have password manager, and there we have our password which our smartphone remember, in this case to our Google or Netflix account. To manage it, click on it, enter lock screen to get connect to that, and after that you can copy our email and username and passwords after when you choose this first icon. But if you press this icon, our smartphone shows us password switch. Remember, you can also edit all by tap on edit and you can write something new on username, passwords and note. But remember to tap on save when you change something. You can also delete all by delete and confirm by delete, and you cancel this password from your device. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.